15 brutal moments of birds fighting their prey. In the vast wilderness, there is a peculiar bird species with a large beak and fierce countenance that deters anyone from approaching. The adult shoebill stork stands tall at 1.2 meters and can weigh between 4 to 7 kilograms. Their wings are remarkably large and expansive, with a wingspan of 230 to 260 centimeters. However, they are not capable of flying long distances or soaring too high due to their body weight. The young shoebills rely entirely on their mother for food and drink. When they detect prey, they focus and swiftly hunt with lightning speed. Mongoose is busy foraging and devouring termites, unaware that it is being stalked by a marabou stork. With its sharp beak, the marabou stork launches a sudden attack on an unsuspecting mongoose. However, the honey badger retaliates and shows resilience, refusing to be bullied. In a swift rescue, the mother mongoose successfully saves her young from the clutches of marabou stork. The marabou stork is considered the largest terrestrial bird on the planet. On the banks of a river, it came across a mother antelope accompanied by her young offspring. Fueled by its combative nature, the marabou stork unleashed the sharp and formidable beak it possessed, mercilessly attacking the helpless young antelope. The great blue heron is the largest whiting bird species on the planet, with a body length from head to tail of up 140 centimeters and a wingspan that can reach up to 2 meters, weighing between 2 to 3.6 kilograms. After catching a snake, it grips tightly and attacks until the prey is dead before swallowing him. Under the clear water, a snake swiftly emerges from the depths and breaks the surface to breathe. Suddenly, a massive eagle swoops down from above. With a powerful talons, the eagle snatches the snake, lifting it higher into the vibrant sky. The snake struggles in vain, trying to resist its fate. However, a forceful tear from the eagle turns the snake into a sumptuous feast for the majestic bird of prey. A bird is relentlessly attack a snake in the African forest. This fearsome assassin bird is known as Malaconotus blancoti. The snake repeatedly turns and flees as it targeted by the bird, aiming for its head and eye. The aggressive little bird dives in, viciously pecking at the snake-blind eyes, seeking to quickly subdue its prey and consume its flesh. Not attacking snakes on other animals, but these two birds are also engaging into a fierce battle against each other. The stronger one managed to overpower its opponent, asserting dominance and gaining the upper hand. It is indeed a surprising sight to witness. A heron has caught a large fish and is enjoying its meal. Suddenly, from a distance, an eagle swoops down, intended to compete for the prey. A fiery battle ensues between the two birds. Many people in London's St. James Park were left astonished when they witnessed a heron devouring a pigeonhole. Scientists say this is a peculiar occurrence, as herons typically feed on fish. It is the first time humans have observed a heron eating another bird. For about 20 minutes, the heron repeatedly extended its beak. Then it attempted to swallow the pigeon, starting with its head. Throughout the swallowing process, the pigeon remained alive, kicking its leg and flapping its wings vigorously.